Place Pine-Sol-soaked cotton balls at likely mouse entry points to use scent as a deterrent. Target high traffic and vulnerable areas where mice naturally travel. Start by removing loose food sources and sealing obvious gaps larger than a 1/4 inch with steel wool and caulk, so scent placement is a supplement, not the only control. Soak cotton balls in pine sol, squeeze out excess liquid to avoid dripping, and position them where mice will pass, but not where pets or children can reach them. Put them behind and beneath appliances such as refrigerators and stoves because mice follow warmth and wiring paths. Tuck the cotton balls into the voids at the rear or along baseboard gaps. In crawl spaces and attics, place treated cotton balls along joists, near foundation seams, and close to insulation edges where rodents nest or travel. Use small zip bags with holes if you need to keep the cotton contained. For garages and near suspected exterior entry holes, place cotton inside short sections of cardboard tube or sealed containers with punched access holes so the scent escapes while the soaked material stays put. When placing near ductwork or vents, do not push material fully into the ducts. Instead, secure treated cotton at the grill perimeter, so airflow disperses odor without risking obstruction. Common issues occur when people rely on scent alone and do not address structural entry points, so pair pine sol placement with physical exclusion like steel, wool, sheet metal strips, or hardware cloth to stop re-entry. Another problem is oversaturation, which causes dripping and staining. Always wring out cotton thoroughly and use containment, so floors and stored items remain clean. A third concern is accidental access by pets or children. Place treated cotton out of reach, inside sealed perforated containers, or in areas gated off from household traffic. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find projects that match their skills. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share practical tips and real experiences about small projects and pest deterrent strategies.